Orengo nigai aikire Bosio Bw'Ekomiti ya Senate ya Cpic erikwera kibwe se county ya SIAYA mwaka w'echili fibere 2024-2025 abwase airaneria mabori au buna obocheno.
So ideally, Chair, from the reading of the act, it would mean that all the money that is received or from a public health facility should go back to that health facility, Chair.
Very well. Maybe I'll get a comment from Governor on that.
I think the matter is not as easy as what has just been said and what I've heard. I think as a matter of interpretation of the law, there are several principles that must be applied, including that the basic structures of government as underpinned in the Constitution should never, through an ordinary legislation, which is the act that you're referring to, should not be weakened. Those structures should never be weakened. But the more important, and I'm not saying what I'm saying is the correct interpretation, but this is a fairly elaborate provisions of law, and it says the national legislation prevails over county legislation if. Now, there are a lot of parameters to look at for that legislation to prevail. And I want to say that I'm not convinced that if you look at the if, which is provided in Article 199, sub-Article 2, running to B, and then looking at the sub-Article 3, the conditions, which are the conditions referred in Clause 2A, and in its entirety, if you look at it, I think the situation is more complicated than it looks. I think a proper reading and interpretation and looking at the structure of the Constitution, any legislation that tends to take away the architecture of the Constitution as establishing national government and national institutions.
Biamana hasoko choren soko TV buroswo mugusina boyo kubwatia